You can also change the function of the knobs in your show, making your operation even more dynamic. If you take a look at the knob mapping, you will find that by default, the function of the upper knob is to be a group master. For each of the layers, or even for each of your groups, but you can change it. Let's change it to the width. Now I can control the width directly with the knob. Alternatively, I can change the phase on X, quickly changing the effect direction. You can even map the knobs to control your matrix. Let's set the groups on X-axis and play around. This way, you can further customize your operation.